Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Life with Rashmi. So today I am going to introduce 10 chemical free shampoos that would help you to build your hair strength. Which shampoo are you using? Dove, Pantene, L'Oreal or Sunsilk? Have you ever read the ingredients list of your shampoo? If you haven't, then let me tell you this, it's scary. There are many toxic chemicals which leads to irritation, illness, and even cancer too. And also problems like hair fall. And if you are unknowingly using a shampoo which is a toxic chemical, it is doing more harm to your hair than making it better. These shampoos by time weakens your hair and increases dandruff hair fall. Let's discuss the list of harmful chemicals that you need to check while buying your shampoo. So this is Mohair Professional Expensive Shampoo used after keratin. It's written sulfate and paraben free. Let's check out other ingredients. It has sodium lauryl, which is basically a detergent, usually a base which damages your hair. These are the shampoo which are not good for your hair, especially Clinic Plus, Ayush, Biotic and even Patanjali have ingredients and these are very toxic. Even Baby Johnson's oil and Wow shampoo also includes chemicals. So check the list before you buy. Ammonium laureth sulfate make your hair frizzy and dry. Sodium lauryl sulfate is also a detergent. Paraben and alcohol is added to prevent the occurrence of bacteria and they make the shampoo long lasting. But being a chemical, it weakens your hair. Synthetic fragrances, that means extreme powerful fragrances that attracts you, that makes you fool. So it's a business tactics and a customer buys seeing the design of the bottle and the fragrances. The next comes synthetic colors, which is like a dye and leads to premature graying of your hair. There is a long list of chemicals and you need to check out. But your hair can still look beautiful without chemicals. How? Don't use excessive hair color and excessive use of hairspray. Coming to the best 10 shampoos that helps to add extra shine and strength to your hair. Let's discuss. Luster Argan Oil Shampoo makes hair soft and smooth. Best argan oil imported from Morocco for condition and strengthening hair and volumizing and moisturizing the scalp. Second is Khadi Mori Amla Bringraj Shampoo, which is a herbal Ayurvedic formulation. Natural extracts used, root strengthening, promotes hair growth and prevent hair loss and thickness, and it's suitable for dry and combination scalp. The third is Wishcare Coconut Cream, which is enriched with natural ingredients like biotin, macadamia, shea butter, olive, which is formulated to nourish your hair strands and it is suitable for all hair types. The fourth is Giovanni Organic Tea Tree and which is very good shampoo. It eliminates impurities with a blend of peppermint, rosemary and eucalyptus oil to strengthen from root to tip. Perfect for all hair types. The next is Oriflame Love Nature Shampoo, which is creamy shampoo with natural wheat and coconut oil which gently cleanses hair and helps to combat dryness and future damage. The sixth is for anti-dandruff, the best shampoo is Requil. This shampoo contains Peractone oleamin, which is known for its antifungal properties and helps in treating the root cause of dandruff flakes and also helps in regulating sebum production. Now the seventh is Khadi Natural Shikakai Shampoo, which contains shikakai, amla, tulsi, mehendi, lemon, triphala and other rare herbs. It helps in hair growth and nourishing of hair follicles. The next is Mamaearth Happy Heads Natural Protein Hair Shampoo, which contains biotin and helps in increasing the elasticity of hair and prevents hair dryness and nourishes your hair and is suitable for all scalp. The next is Sebamed Shampoo, which is very fruitful for sensitive, dry, and combination hair. Soap and alkali free, extra mild cleansing for daily hair care, and retains moisture and adds volume. And the last but not the least, the Veda Earth Refreshing Shampoo, specially recommended for oily scalp. Help reduce excess oil from hair, adds bounce back into your hair, ensuring it's not flat and greasy. So these were the chemicals, and I also told you about the chemical free shampoos. Do try it and see the difference. I hope my information would be helpful to you. So thank you, stay safe, bye bye.